Buddy, you gotta trim it down. You can't go with it up in the air. Yes, sir! No, don't burn up the water pump. You better hurry. He's like, shoot, I'm just gonna cut it off. Look, everybody in the whole cove's looking. You sure got our attention. Welcome to the channel. Somebody's like, what? Sir, you gotta trim it down. They're like, what does trim it down mean? It means put the PFD on that you got strapped to the side of the boat on. Oh, no, the motor. Put it in the water. Watch out, bro. Look, no. Oh, he almost T-boned him. Look at this. Look at this. He's gonna save the day. Guys, we might have a problem here right now. They're drifting now. The motor's not in the water. We got no power. Well, I guess they figured out how to finally trim her down. If that's theirs, they just learned themselves a valuable lesson. If it's not, it belongs to the rental company. They'll figure it out later. Dare, I hope that's not you, buddy. Okay, here we go. Lining up on the in too deep, lane 4. The prop is back out of the water. Do you hear it running, folks? No. Trim it down. Trim it down! Oh my gosh, guys. Thank you. Gonna freaking burn it up. Anyway, back over here on 4. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Like a dang helicopter over there. Well, boys, they got her up on the dock. Oh, watch the jet ski. God, what in the world is this one do? Look, oh, bumper, but guys, just shut the Sea-Doo off. She's slamming into the boat behind her. What in the world? The guy running down the dock, he's like, what in the hell are you doing? She's like, I don't know, I'm sorry. Sorry. She's like, golly, this is stressful. Babe, please don't be mad. He's like, just freaking demolition derby right here at the launch. Uh-oh, boys. Uh-oh. So what you do is you pull the left throttle and then you give the other one a little pull. So left throttle is your brake when you engage the right at the same time. If you hold the right throttle and the left, it'll go in reverse. But you have no steering unless you got some propulsion coming out of the back. So on the right handlebar, that's your forward. The left is brake and reverse. All right, the Sea-Doo switch is going on one that's in too deep. Are they gonna nail it or what? Oh! Just a little bumping and grinding down here on lane 4. Rock me, baby. He gets it. Hell, he ain't much better without the PFD on. He's gonna throw them off and it's just gonna keep on running right across the cove. What in the world, boys? Put the kill cord on. It ain't about you, it's about everybody else around you. You were responsible not only for your watercraft, but the people around you if you damage somebody's. Right here, he's in a jam. He's in a jam. You never back into that corner, partner. Never, never. No, don't do, uh-oh. He's done. Golly. Just bounces her off the pontoon like, no, it's no problem. They got her wedged up in there, don't they? Mm-hmm. Hey, D. You better check that water pump. Did you hear them? They had that thing out of the water for about 2 minutes. Everybody's yelling, trim it down. I was screaming. I got it on video, don't worry. I think something might be wrong with the trim pump and it might have automatically trimmed up on them. Thumb on it all the time, but what happened? Oh, look at the pontoon, it's finna fall off. Whoa! They gonna lose the whole boat. Right there, dead center in the middle. I've seen them flip off of the trailer. They better hurry up. No.
Hey, what happened there?
Guys, come on, man. We get at the proper depth, this ain't happening. You have a couple beers, you might just let her roll right off on the side of the interstate. On its side. Yes. They had to have a crane come here and pick the damn thing up and put it on the trailer. Boys, that was it right there. They almost lost the whole unit that quick. Meanwhile, they're going in deeper. Hang on, partner. You can do it. You're almost there. We're getting a wind that's kicking up out of the southwest now. What in the... Anyway, wow.
They hung something on that button, and when they were getting up.
Why is this bouncing? Why is this trailer bouncing? You got the thing in reverse? What's going on? Trailer brakes hung up? It's dually.
Yeah, great. He has no idea.
He's like, what in the world? The other car's like, let me just get over him. Somebody's helping him out. Anybody know why my trailer's jumping up and down?
Let's see if that works. Now go back in the...
Boys, listen to me. We're gonna give y'all an instruction on how to fix this. Let's just see what happens first. Oh yeah. Look right here in the Everglades. Meanwhile, it goes forward great. Here we go. I got you, baby. He gonna get that dually in there. Keep working on it, boy. How you doing, mama? Look at that trailer up there, shaking its hips. Thank you.
You've been watching you since you started. Just want to come and say hello.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. You have a good one. What in the... Brother, you're almost in the water. You just punch it. Punch. Uh-oh, and the pontoon's going to miss it right here beside them. I'm going to have to pan out. I've been looking at them for the last hour doing laps in here, almost bumping into everybody, and here I am. I missed them on their first attempt. Don't worry, I think we'll have a couple more. You know, I got me a whole chalou of shit right here. Somebody comes up running around like, get back! Alright, attempt number 2. That muffin was pretty good.
It was good.
But I wasted a little piece of it. I choked on it.
That's dry. It is tough.
I wonder if this little car is going to make it all the way down with this little trailer. If they do, they're my heroes. Because that's a hard one to get down there. Little neck.
Flag on that.
Little neck's 2 inches long. Yeah, they are. Uh-oh. Look out, they're gonna get sideswiped by the pontoon.
Oh, hell.
Dude, get your freaking butt off of me. Oh, they all screwed up now. Are they? They going at it. If you move your pontoon boat, you got 662 foot of square footage all the way around this thing. 660 linear feet. What in the world? They're finna, they got this whole place hosed up.
You wonder why it's lined out to the road.
You ain't, oh my gosh. I wish I could fly the drone right now. You know, I hadn't been flying the drone because I can't get the FAA clearance. Because they got the airport over here now.
Yeah.
They turned it into like an international airspace. I ain't flying nothing.
What in the hell I'm gonna do with these 3 boats I got there?
Tie them up and come get them at dark.
That's what I think I'm gonna do. Come back about 8:30.
Wait till I'm good and gone. He's big, man. He got them glass packs on it. I'd be mad too if I had to wait on 65 truck and trailers to back in here sideways. There it is. Man, ladies and gentlemen. Imagining having to wait in line. Way too deep. Even my mom knows.
Hey, Mom.
Bam, right here. Yep.
That was straight line.
Yeah, that was on purpose. We wanted to mess up the gel coat. Hey, over there in that sea, huh? Grandma's gonna go in now in the freaking pontoon boat. She's hanging on for dear life over there.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, why don't you go down there on the thing where we can get like a low shot? I got this shot. 3 motors running in gear. Cool. One was yours.
I know.
Yeah, I got all 3 of them. They was on the concrete.
I got one of our stuff on the sand.
Yours?
The gray one that before come up last.
Really? Yeah.
Called me. This thing ain't moving.
Look, she's swimming out to the sea, dude. What's going on?
These ain't ordinary boats.
Are they? You put the stainless steel friggin' impeller in there?
Yeah.
Hey, scoot down 20 more feet. Oh. He got that gangster lean on there.
Anytime you see a pontoon in reverse, it ain't good.
I know that's right. Yes, sir. Now that wind's got. Oh, hang on back there. You're gonna be a prop chop. Not no pork chop. You're gonna be a prop chop.
I'm gonna put one on reverse on the trailer piece.
You should.
I'm gonna show them how.
Just for me. Uh-oh, Popo. That thing's sitting deep in the back, ain't it?
When I saw the camera, I said, nope.
Who, me?
Where's y'all's boat at?
I'm here.
No.
You want me to back it in for you?
You want me to do it real quick?
Oh, when he gets finished, we can drive it up, sure.
Well, I gotta get permission first.
Hey, I'll let him. I'll let him. I don't want to let him, but for you, I will. What in the... Dude, he just cut right in front of him. Come on, dear Woody. Woody D. Come on, Woody D! Just cut him off. I'm gonna have to put you on the spotlight. You did good last week. You did good. He gave me a hat. D Woody Trucking, Woody D Trucking, something. We got one right here in lane 1. It ain't gonna be good. Uh-oh. Unless they're gonna do a drop and run, but I don't think they are. Now he's backing towards the boat right there behind him. Look out. Oh. Golly, it's like, buddy, do you see behind you? Like he's bumping her off the port side just to get to his trailer. Look, if there's a wind, do not get close to the dock like that. Especially if you got a bigger boat or a pontoon, it's gonna push you into the dock. You're just gonna be boing, 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 bouncing her off the pilings. Who's gonna make it first? I'm gonna pull out just a little bit. Oh man, lane 1, they got it in reverse. That ain't good. Look at the elderly couple right there holding on for near, far, wherever you are. Hang on for dear life, baby. We're gonna make it. So the guy in lane 7, he's become a friend of ours here on the channel. He brought me a cold drink last week, and he brought me a dad burned hat. And now I'm feeling bad for him. His friends at work are gonna give him the roast job. Come Tuesday after the holidays, he's in trouble. His buddies are gonna be all over him. He already warned me. He goes, man, if I don't get this, they're gonna be all over me. I said, buddy, you better look at that lane 1. Somebody get that. Bam. Oh. Man, everybody's messing up. What's going on over here? It's everybody. It ain't lane 3, it ain't lane 1, it ain't lane 7. It's all of them. Slam it back in reverse. There you go. Alright, I think he's gonna have it. Let's get over here. Holy crap, boys. If this is your first time on the show, we want to thank you for being here. Please subscribe to the channel. Only 7% of our regular viewers out of 2.1 million in the last 20 days, 7% are subscribed. So do us a favor right here, subscribe to the channel. We'll be forever grateful. We're trying to hit the 100K mark right now. We're gonna have all kind of giveaways. We're gonna be giving away Ocean Tamer bean bags. We're gonna be giving away Yeti coolers, cash, fishing trips, Mustang PFDs, all kinds of stuff is gonna be up for grabs when we hit 100K. So you definitely want to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for all the updates and hit that bell. Let's continue the show. Reverse. That ain't it, partner. Oh man, they just bumped her off there. Captain jumps up, goes for the old push off. He's gonna probably throw her in reverse. We're struggling on 3 and 4 now. Not good. Good for y'all, not good for them. Who? What in the trim it down, partner? We got another one drifting over here. They finna drift up on the concrete. Hold on to your pennies. They yelling Big Dan and yelling. Oh, crunch. Crappy crunch.
You know, I should charge people to put the boats on this parking lot if I be He'd be out of
I'd
business.
be out of business, but you'd be at $1,000 up for the day. Hey, come on now.
Oh, that photo.
They got, I guarantee 100 truck and trailers up there waiting right now, and you got this guy right here taking up 3.
Oh man, he ain't gonna make.
Look at the guy with the pontoon. You watching him?
Hey, the one down there with the.
You watching this guy with the pontoon? You watching this guy down here in the pontoon? Tickets are free today.
Yeah.
Every other day we charge $10.
How much are they Monday?
Monday? I don't know. I ain't done. I'm on it. What in the...
I haven't even got that other boat out yet. We're lined up for the street. I'll tell you, it ain't working.
I got a YouTube, the Big Dan Show. The Big Dan Show. What's that? A lot. A lot. Yeah, the Big Dan Show on YouTube and Facebook.
The reason is there's another boat gets here and then I'll probably try to get mine.
Put in this one. I did last week.
Yeah, it's a Circus. Almost regularly.
It is now midnight. They told her, I said, I bet it is the same when we go to take it out.
I guarantee you.
I got it.
You found it?
Yep.
Sweet.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, appreciate you. Yeah, they even having trouble with a little shrimp boat up there.
We got four to get out. We'll see.
Oh no. I think they should go deeper. It's bad when you ain't got no docking space. You got to go all the way to the very front, right here where people are trailering. That's bad there. No life jacket, no kill cord, in too deep. Making a way for everybody to. Here we go. Bam. Good thing you had the e-brake on, bust the transmission off that thing. Now he's gonna be balls deep. Good job, fella. What's your peaches feel like? Wet? Golly, son. That's how you know it's time to go home. Yellow. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Man, she pushed her off in the front. The transom almost clipped her though. You see that? That was real close. I don't know if you call that technique or no. Okay, I don't think that's technique. I think they. Meanwhile, the guy got the guy pinned against the friggin' dock. He's in the water. Friggin' GMC sideways in lane 8. What in the? This guy's fixing to take the front off that F-250. Is that your truck? Okay. Holy George Beach. Yeah. This dude's coming up in here with the Harley.
The problem is, so many people lined up, so many boats tied there, no progress.
Right. No progress. I wonder if I had to bow to him. That's me. Is she? They just said they love me.
We love you too. We want you a lot.
Thank you.
My father-in-law loves you.
Well, I appreciate you guys watching.
My daughter works on that, you know.
Does she really?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you tell her I said thanks for the shout out.
She brought them around just to say hi.
I think she was coming here to give me a shout out. Yeah, we do want you.
How long? Look at that. Look at that. That's what you're talking about, making a wake in here. Don't be this guy. Hit it wide open or don't freaking hit it at all. This place is fixing to get wrecked with the wake, guys. You're gonna see it just a second. This place is fixing to be freaking bouncing. You are responsible for your wake. Yeah. Hello. Bam. Swinging over to 4. Are you guys enjoying the video today? Holy smokes, it's freaking busy. A lot of good content. Dum Dum and Dum Dum coming out the woodwork. Wait, you're not Big Dan.
Big girls. Hey, Megan, girls with the seats. Check them out on Instagram. Big Dan, come on.
They've been buying some popcorn.
Coming in real hot. There's friggin' DJ Raballo. He left both Yammy Halls running 3/4 throttle all the way to out there in the parking lot the other day. Did you see the video?
I heard about it.
What they throwing? That's all you're getting. That was very unaggressive. The first one they had to gun it to save the beer. And partners in too deep. Right here in the middle. Oh boy. Oh boy. Finally the white truck. I was just wondering, you know, is anybody gonna have trouble backing up today?
There's still about 400 out there.
You think there's 400 trucks close to? At least 200.
Probably, yeah, at least 200.
All right. Well, after this battery, I ain't got no battery left. I ain't got no way to charge it. You got the brown one charging? I'm gonna take that.
Where's Daddy going? Get married and come back to trip?
Probably. Somebody probably threw him off the friggin' dock. Quit filming me. Oh, I told y'all they was gonna struggle in the green too.
Oh, there he is now.
Can we back up to you? This dude is dying to use the joystick.
Got both back stacking on one couch here. I may pull him out of the dark ice.
Pontoon, they trying to home me. Now look at the van. What in the... it all happens at once. The van's jackknife, and it's a man truck. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. What? I know. No, this guy over here, his registration flew out. Over here, in that cobia. He opened the thing and he grabbed his keys and it went, flew right out. And what? I'm watching the pontoon. Look at him. He's coming in sideways. What in the... He's like, I'm trying to get it on there straight. Well, listen, you got to get it back in the water straight. I think he got it. Me too. I want to see some action too. I didn't come to the Big Dan show to watch a couple rejects get up on here. And the whole thing almost flipped up. Uh-oh. Hey, slow it down, player. And over here, you're going to bump and grind. Boop. What you doing sideways, buddy? You got to straighten that up. I know you know. Look at this. It's pretty cool. A couple young girls right here running the show. Let's go! Look at these girls right here about to put this thing on. They did an awesome job. Swinging down to one here. That guy goes, woo-hoo. BigBootiesOnly.com.
Big booty.
Nah, I got a YouTube channel called The Big Dan Show. I film boat ramp fails. Yeah, come on, come on.
I had to help him dock up.
All right, I'm gonna be on him. I'm gonna be all over him. I'm Dan.
Oh, bird.
What happened? Uh-oh, what happened right there in lane 9? Freaking winch strap.
I can do this whole thing a lot too.
Yeah, it's called The Big Dan Show on YouTube and Facebook. The Big Dan Show.
Y'all got anything to write on?
I usually have a card, but not on me today. Yeah, The Big
Dan Show.
Yeah,
The
yep.
Big Dan Show.
Big Dan Show.
You guys just
Appreciate it.
This is like the most stressful thing. So this lady right here, this last lady right here,
Yeah.
she's stressed the fuck out. This is where you look up and your husband's like, hey man,
That's awesome. Where? Where'd y'all come from? Robinson Island? Out that way?
I don't know where I went, but I know where I'm going.
That's right.
I'll be used to the out of towners. Daphne. Somerville, grew up in Somerville. I ain't the best on boats, but I'm learning as it goes.
That's right. That boat out there, I saw him earlier, the red boat with the wrap. Does that say anal? What in the...
Yeah, it says anal in the
Look at number one. Number one. Right
No, one, that's 9. Yeah, they all juiced up. They've been doing that. All right, big dog.
Alright, awesome.
Later. The Big Dan Show. You good, you good, you good, you good? Yeah, I'm gonna pick all this crap up in a minute. Hey, Mr. Anal, that is not a parking spot for you to go fetch your truck and your trailer and wait in line for an hour. You are literally blocking the ramp here. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Man, we got some music blaring. We got some music blaring there, boy. We got that little thing pumping, dude. Everybody's looking at him like, what? And everybody's like, oh, you're cool. In the contender, coming in hot. Are they gonna nail it? I think they are. Looking good, looking good. Money, dude. Hammer down. Safety chain, winch. Turn it off, trim it up. See y'all at the cookout.